Welcome to PFTV. Siphethe Ntshebe Ntshebe. It's a 1-1 draw. Amakhosi ajabulile mfethu Ntshebe. Ngathi bawinile namhlanje. Thoughts on igame namhlanje?
Amakhosi ajabulile for bona iwin.
Yeah.
For bona iwin. Mara for thina ngoba siyakwazi into besifuna ukuthi sibaleke kangakanani. For thina ilose. Mara for amakhosi ba grand bajabule.
Yeah.
Ngiyacala ukubona i-team ejabulele i-draw, i-team enkulu ejabulele i-draw. Ngiyacala ukuyibona mara anyway asikho la.
Embarrassing ne?
For i-team enkulu izojabulela i-draw. I-draw ayibayisi indaba mara anyway asikho la. Igame namhlanje mina. Igame namhlanje akuzange kube le Pirates engiyibone Saturday against AmaZulu. Angazi bekwenzakalani Vandag. Mhlambe khona into beyenzeka Vandag esingayazi from a dressing room or a changing room asas.
Ujabu wathi is the fact ukuthi ama player they delayed the kick off for 45 minutes. Mhlambe it played a psychological impact on the players. Do you think that's an excuse or do you think that's a valid point? Because obviously about delay play, they don't just delay play for Pirates, they delay play for Kaizer Chiefs as well, you know. But I don't know what do you think about that.
For mina ngikhali ngalento le ngoba igame idelay for wonke umuntu. Ayidelayanga for iPirates kuphela. Idelay for wonke ama player both sides wonke ama team Chiefs ne Pirates and iChiefs ingene groundini ibonisa ukuthi ifuna ukwenzani. First half isibonisa ukuthi Chiefs ifuna ukudlala and iplan yabo baze ngayo ibasebenzele kakhulu. Bayenza mistake kancane iChiefs ngokuthi bakhipha umthetho. Sharp bebafake ama defensive uNdlovu umthethwa uMabuye shothi bekwatheka uMabuye mara for ukuthi bakhipha umthetho mina ngibona ngathi yila bazilimaze khona bona ngoba obvious ubonile ukuthi uMakhawula noMbatha bebanga click umthetho beyangabavumeli ukuthi uMbatha noMakhawula bathole lama football abajwayele ukuwathola badlale ngendlela abajwayele ukudlala ngayo bebangadlali. For mina umthetho uye beyacima lamajita ayithu ukuthi angadlali bayenza mistake ngokuthi bamdonsa umthetho is fine basinikile ipoint abasinike ngoba mhlawumbe ngaba silitholanga ipoint igame yethu iqale slow for iBhakania iqale slow kakhulu. iBhakania idlale ngasho ukuthi iBhakania idlale last 30 minutes angengikhali ngokuthi umbuthuma ngoba sihlezi sithi umbuthuma mara uzodlala maya asikwazi ukuthi sikhali ngama player lonke iplayer elifakwe groundini kumele lazi ukuthi lingeneleni wonke umuntu osespanini ocashiwe espanini kumele lazi ukuthi uzospana wonke umuntu uspanile umndeni wakhe naye umbuthuma mase groundini uyaspana la aspana khona uyahluleka la ahluleka khona abanye kumele bam-assist laba abona khona ukuthi uyahluleka umbuthuma just ngikhala ukuthi ube late ukumshintsha umbuthuma ngoba introduce uMahupa late I think bekuzenzeka something better ngoba ungena kwaMahupa ngibone iPirates le engiyaziyo last 15 minutes engibona iPirates bengihlele phansi ngasuku bese ngibona ukuthi okay and ngibatshela laba ngihlena bathi uTiti uzoyithwala i-team. uTiti uyawathanda ama big game like uthanda ukuchina ngibatshela ukuthi uzoyithwala i-team and the showcase akuphelanga ne3 minutes sathola equalizing goal which is introduce late uMahupa.
Yeah. So do you still believe ukuthi we're going to take this league in Ntshebe? Ntshebe uyahleka akana confidence.
No nginayo le league ngicela uyibhale phansi le video ngicela uyidlale nge last game of the season. Le league soyithatha nge 1 point different 1 point le league le league soyithatha iSundowns nayo khona la izohamba khona i-drop na Wednesday besijethi iSundowns izihambela kuphela uGovernando wababamba nathi lento iyenzekile bese size kule game sijela ukuthi siyawina uyabona mara ileague isese on ama game awakapheli ileague sese why kumele sigive up ileague ingakapheli ama game asese khona mele amajita abuyele dressing room balungise next game mele badlale kangcono kunale game bangafani nathi abalandeli ukuthi thina abalandeli sisicalile siya give up ukuthi league ihambile bona mabakhuthale baspane until last game.
Thanks Ntshebe bopha.